Hey, this is Wes from the Toolbox Buzz Crew, and we are back at the Zipwall booth here at World of Concrete 2025. And I have the pleasure of talking to Anna today, who is kind of helping me out and really explaining some of the products that Zipwall has to offer. So Zipwall is basically control solutions, right? You want to control dust in an active remodeling site, or limit your intrusion upon living space when you're in an actual construction area. So tell me a little bit more about this. This is the Zip Sheet, correct?
Sure, this is our Zip Sheet. This is our alternative to plastic sheeting. It's completely reusable. It's machine washable. So when you're done, you can just pop it in the washing machine. The panels zip together so you can create a barrier as long as you want. They're 9 to 12 feet tall.
Okay, yep.
So you can really customize them to whatever job site you need. And then the panels are 5 and 10 feet in width, and then you zip them together to create a barrier that's as long as you need.
So it gives you options. You can build a system to work for whatever your remodeling project is, or whatever the case might be.
Exactly.
Now it looks like you're using it in conjunction here with some of your the normal poles, right?
Yes, they work with any pole in our system. You sandwich it between the head and plate just like you would with poly. It basically works the same as poly, but it's just reusable, and it's got the built-in doors, clamps, so you can roll it up, lock it in place, and then a little ring to hold your clamps.
And does every panel, regardless of size, come with a door?
Not every panel. We have door panels, and then we have not door panels.
Oh, so you can choose. You can choose one that works better for you. Okay.
Exactly. It's completely customizable.
Wonderful. All right. And is there any kind of when installing the system and folding it over on the poles there, is there any kind of minimum fold over that you need? Like, what's the minimum? Do we need any kind of minimum material, or as long as you can fit it up there, you're going to be
really,
okay?
As long as you can fit it up there, you're okay.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Awesome. All right. Again, this is the Zip Sheet system from Zipwall. We're here at the World of Concrete booth, 2025 World of Concrete here in Vegas. And if you're looking for something reusable that's better than just buying rolls and rolls of plastic, this is a great option for any of us. And the last thing we didn't talk about is, what are we looking at in terms of price and availability? Are these available now?
So they are available now. You can buy them directly on our website. They're $50 to $100.
Okay.
So
$50 to $100 depending upon size, and I mean, realistically, that's probably a pretty good value considering the fact that you can just wash the thing and keep using it over and over again, right?
Exactly. It's designed to save you money.
Wonderful. Okay. All right. So again, we're at the Zipwall booth here at World of Concrete. Thank you, everybody.